What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking L doing our Montreal jersey. This is a mini for the jersey. Top two get 2 spots each in the main res. Good luck. Let's do it. Live. This 1149 Damon down to Dennis. 4 randoms. 1, 2, 3. Is the timestamp? Timestamp on 3. 1149. 1149. Last and final. Looking for top 2 here. There you have it. Spot 5. Spot 4. Damon and Paula both taking home 2 spots each in the main res. I will get you guys tagged in after a couple people see the video. I know it's still early on the West Coast. So 1149 and just turned 1150. Congrats again, Damon, Paula. I'll tag you in to make the picks in order. And there's still 3 spots left in the main res, so if it doesn't fill in the next hour or so, I'll post another mini. Thanks, folks.